Hello people and welcome to my channel where I teach you how to forge a steel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the best bodyweight upper back exercises for beginners. And I'm going to talk a little bit more about them right after the quick review of what we are going to go through today.
First is going to be the exercise that I call thumbs up upper back circles. Next will be the towel pulls or towel rows. Third one is exercise that I like to call dragonflies. That's my favorite animal, by the way. And the last one will be backward elbow press up.
These exercises are actually very good at fixing bad posture and are meant mostly for those that don't have enough of strength to do a single pull-up. Because let's be honest, pull-ups are the best exercise for upper back in the world, but they are very hard to do, especially with the right form. So these exercises can help you to get some upper back strength, to fix your posture, and to get you to the point where you can start doing pull-ups. But don't be fooled, because these can be used by more advanced athletes if they don't have access to a bar or something to hang from. They just need to hold something heavy in their hands and do exercises like that. And if you want to learn how to do a proper pull-up, then please go to my channel and search for my pull-up video. Now I'll jump to exercises. I'm going to show you correct technique and how to properly execute them. Let's go!
We are gonna start with thumbs up upper back circles. Lay on your belly, straighten your both arms facing forward. Stick your thumbs up facing the sky and lift your arms and chest off the ground. Your hands should be approximately 20-25 centimeters or 8 to 10 inches from the ground. And don't keep your shoulders down. Lift them up to your ears level. From here, do the half circles backwards with your arms, keeping them completely straight. And keep thumbs up facing the sky all the time. Don't lower them down as you pull back. Keep them up. You should keep your head neutral. As you're circling with your arms backwards and reach the end point, you should lift your chest up a bit. Don't keep your shoulders shrugged next to your neck. But as you're circling arms backward, depress them. Get them backwards as further away from your neck, and as you are reaching the end of the movement, you should get your scapulas as close together as possible. So don't push your shoulders forwards, but pull them backwards. Retract your scapulas. So your shoulders should get behind and away from your neck on the end of the movement. Keep your hands high from the ground as you are circling your arms backwards and forward. This is important, especially when you are getting tired. You will naturally want to lower your hands due to upper back fatigue. You have to resist it and try your best to keep them high up, away from the ground. You will also want to bend your arms when you get tired, but don't. Keep them straight all the time. When you reach the end of the movement, the peak of contraction, don't immediately go back towards the starting position, but pause that squeeze for a second or more and then slowly circle the same way forward towards the starting position. Both going backwards and forward with your hands should be slow and controlled. You can make this exercise harder by holding 2 bottles of water or holding something heavy like these rocks that I found here. Now we're jumping to the towel pulls. This exercise can be done in 2 ways: pulling towel towards the chest and pulling it behind the neck. Both target similar muscles, just the chest pull one is going to pull more focus towards the middle part of your back, whereas pulling behind the neck is going to put more pressure towards the upper part of back, especially rear delts. I recommend doing them both in the same set. So first pull behind your neck, reset, then towards the chest, and repeat. And basically same rules will apply to both of them. You will just lift your chest a little bit more and look forward when you are pulling it towards the chest. Lay on your belly with your hands straight, facing forward. Hold a towel approximately shoulder width. Lift your hands off the ground, approximately 20-25 centimeters or 8 to 10 inches. Keep them straight and create as much tension in the towel as possible, and keep the towel tight whole exercise. You should also lift your chest off the ground. Keep head in neutral position, look down. Pull your shoulders backwards. Your knuckles should be parallel with the ground. Keep towel in the straight line. Don't bend it with your fists. Keep it straight. And this is the starting position. From here, you're gonna pull the towel behind your neck or towards your chest. As you are pulling towel, don't lower your elbows. Keep your elbows up as far away from the ground as possible and keep them high whole time. Don't twist your wrists as you are pulling towel. Keep the towel in a straight line and pull on it as hard as possible. Keep the tension in the towel whole duration of the exercise. This is a very important point. You should pull on it like your life depends on it. Don't lower your shoulders as you are pulling towel towards you. Keep them pulled backwards all the time. Also, as you are getting towel behind your neck or towards your chest, depress your scapulas. Don't leave your shoulders shrugged next to your neck, but get them as far away from your neck as possible and squeeze scapulas together as much as you can. When you pull towel behind your neck, it should not come in contact with your head or neck, so don't rest the towel on your neck. Keep it above as you are pulling backwards. When you reach peak contraction, don't just immediately start going towards the starting position, but hold the squeeze for a second and then slowly with the control push the towel forward towards the starting position while keeping elbows high, shoulders pulled backwards and constant towel tension. While you're in the starting position, you should stretch your arms forward to get the nice stretch in your upper back muscles, but don't forget to keep scapulas up and to depress shoulders as you are pulling. To make the exercise easier, grab the towel wider than the shoulder width, and as you are getting stronger, grip it closer and closer. Next, we are gonna talk about the exercise that I call Dragonfly. Lay on your belly, straighten your arms and spread them apart. Your both arms should be in completely straight line. Lift them both together with the chest a little bit off the ground, but keep them very close to the ground. Depress your shoulders, pull them away from your neck and keep them depressed whole exercise. And protract your scapulas. In other words, spread your shoulder blades apart from each other. Keep your head in neutral position whole time. Look down. From here, you want to keep your arms straight and lift them up as high as you possibly can together with retracting your scapulas, which means pulling your scapulas towards each other and squeeze them as much as you can. Don't pull your hands down towards the lower body and don't lift them forward either. Keep them on the sides as you are lifting them and make sure to keep shoulders depressed away from your neck all the time. This is very important point. After you reach peak contraction, don't just drop your hands down immediately, but try to hold the squeeze for 1 or more seconds and then lower your hands slowly with control towards the starting position. And protract your scapulas again, slowly pull them apart from each other as you're going down with your hands while keeping shoulders depressed. So don't leave your scapulas together as you are going down with your hands, but pull them apart. Don't rest your arms on the ground. They should be off the ground all the time. You can make this exercise harder by holding some sort of weight, like these rocks that I've found here. You can also use bottles filled with water. In the beginning, you can lift your chest a little bit as you're lifting your arms to get greater range of motion and better squeeze. But as soon as you get some strength to be able to lift arms higher, keep upper body locked in one place. And the last one, backward elbow press-ups. I just wanted to say that this is my least favorite exercise out of these 4 because it has very short range of motion. But it's still a very nice upper back exercise for beginners that doesn't require any equipment. And you can easily add something under your elbows to greatly increase range of motion, making the exercise much more effective. Lay on your back and put your elbows on the ground, approximately 45 degrees to the body. If it's too hard, you can bring them closer. The closer they are to your body, the easier, and the more further away they are, the harder. But I don't recommend putting them wider than 45 degrees because range of motion will be too short. So keep it at 45 degrees, and if it's too hard, bring them closer. So you should press your elbows against the ground to lift your chest up. Brace your core and tilt your pelvis forward a little bit. That will help you to activate upper back muscles better. If you flex forward too much like this, you will essentially do crunches and will not target upper back properly. So keep your trunk straight with slight tilt with your pelvis forward. You should basically try to lift your chest up towards the sky by pushing the elbows against the ground. And don't shrug your shoulders as you're pushing up. Keep them depressed. And don't bend your head down. Keep it neutral. Look towards the sky. When you reach the peak contraction, the point where you can't press yourself any higher, don't immediately drop down, but hold that top position for a second or more and then go down slowly with control. And when you reach bottom position, don't rest on the ground, but lightly touch the floor with your upper back and immediately start another repetition.
I want to end this video by saying that these are tricky exercises in a sense that if you do them with a bad form, they can essentially become useless. For example, if you do the towel pulls, if you shrug your shoulders, you take away pressure from your upper back, therefore losing the benefits of the exercise, making it useless. So you have to carefully follow the instructions and chase the perfect technique in order to maximize the gains. That being said, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that I made everything clear for you, that you're going to start building your back today. If I missed something, please let me know down in the comments. Also, comment below if you want to see any particular content in the future. Like the video if you liked it. You can dislike if you want to. But above all, guys, please share this video so as many people as possible can have access to it. And don't forget to subscribe to not miss any future content, so you too can look like your carved out of marble.